Okay, so on this one he's going a bit more algebraic now. So first one we'll have a look. K. So K is here. So K is what when we would think about our expressions, we think of K as being B. It's the coefficient of Z squared. So what we know about that is that alpha plus beta plus gamma must equal minus b over a, and a equals 1, so it must equal minus k. So k is negative alpha. Take away beta, take away gamma. Right, part B. Well, now we're saying gamma equals negative a, negative alpha. Right, so that makes our k is now negative alpha, take away beta, take away negative alpha. So k has to be negative beta. Can we also work some other things out? Well, what else do we know? We know that alpha, beta, gamma must be 12, because that's d over a. And as we know that gamma is negative alpha, that's going to make that negative alpha squared beta equals 12. We also know the sum in pairs must be negative 4, because that's the same as c over a. So alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma equals 4. So gamma is minus alpha, that's alpha beta minus alpha squared minus alpha beta must equal 4. So minus alpha squared must equal 4. So alpha is plus or minus 2i. Okay, so now we found alpha, we can then use our equation back here. So alpha squared we know is negative 4. Actually didn't need to find alpha. So I can sub 4 beta must equal 12 using that equation. So beta equals 3. So k was minus beta, so k is minus 3. Okay. Right, part C. Now we're saying a different case. We're saying k equals 5. Okay. So our equation is now z cubed plus 5z squared minus 4z minus 12 equals 0. And I want to find a cubic equation with these new roots. Right, this is now like question 2. I've got a couple of choices. So when my new root is now 2 minus my old root, y equals 2 minus x. So that would be x is 2 minus y. So that will be what I'm going to substitute in if I'm going to use the substitution method. So 2 minus y cubed plus 5 times 2 minus y squared Okay, so here we could use the binomial expansion. So 2 cubed 3 times 2 squared times negative y. Okay, so there's one method. In this case, that's probably slightly quicker than using the sum of the product and the sum in pairs of the roots, because we're only expanding 2 minus y cubed. So the alternative, if you want to, you can do sum, so 2 minus alpha plus 2 minus gamma. You can do the product in pairs as we did before. If you look at the video for question 2, if you want to use this method, it will show you how to expand it for that question. Then you can have a go at this one. And then you do the product of all of them. Okay. And then you use our fact you want to get that in terms of the original alpha, beta, gamma, and then you can write your equation, because that's minus b over a, that's c over a, and that's minus d over a, and you can put that back in and you should get the same answer.